Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can track investment in Ynab. So let's get started. If you're looking to track your investments in Ynab, it's important to understand that Ynab is primarily a budgeting tool rather than an investment portfolio tracker. That said, you can still keep an eye on your investments for budgeting purposes. To get started, open Ynab and create a separate account for each investment, whether it's a brokerage account, mutual fund, or retirement account. Label them clearly so you can easily distinguish them from your checking or savings accounts. When setting up these accounts, you can either enter your current balance manually or track them as tracking accounts that don't affect your budget totals. It's recommended to treat them as tracking accounts since you're not spending this money day to day. You can manually update the balances whenever you want, monthly or quarterly, based on your latest statements. This approach lets you monitor how your investments grow over time while keeping your active budget focused on daily spending and saving goals.